Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Webmoney to Binance. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to transfer Webmoney to your Binance account here, well, this one is going to be pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up your Webmoney account. And from here, you want to go hit on the transfer option in your homepage here. Now, on the next page, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says to USDT address. Now from here, you need to indicate a few things, like for example, what's the address that you want to send to. Now from here, you need to make sure that you're going to use the correct blockchain. So in this case, it's going to be TEP74 or TON blockchain. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go and head over into your Binance account and you want to go and choose the add funds option. Now in here, you want to go and choose the following options. So you want to go and choose the on-chain deposit. Now inside on-chain, you want to go and search for USDT. Once selected USDT, you should be able to choose your network. Again, you need to choose the correct network here, so go ahead and scroll down a bit until you see the correct network. Now, once you selected the network, it will technically show you the address that you need to send to. Like you go and copy the address, and once you've copied the address, you go and just go back into your Webmoney and just paste the address and just confirm a few things. But once you've done that, you just need to wait for a few minutes for the transfer to complete. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.